Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HubSpot Forms to Webflow for seamless UX routing, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing section from the top menu. Click on Forms in the drop-down. Select the form you want to connect to Webflow. In the form editor, click on Options in the menu. Scroll down to Follow-up Options. Here, locate the section labeled Redirect to another URL after submission. Now, switch to your Webflow account. Log in and then select the project associated with your website. Go to the Pages section on the left sidebar. Choose the page where your HubSpot form will appear. Open the page settings by clicking the settings icon. Scroll to find the form block section. Add a new form block or select an existing form. In the form settings, locate the action URL field. Paste the HubSpot form submission URL you copied earlier. Next, ensure that the method is set to post. Add necessary hidden fields if required for tracking purposes. Now, click on the Publish button in Webflow to save your changes. Return to HubSpot to test the connection. Submit a test entry on your form. Check to see if you are redirected to the correct Webflow page. Lastly, verify that the submission appears in your HubSpot contacts dashboard. That's it, your HubSpot forms are now connected to Webflow for seamless user experience routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.